Bangaluru's small traders are preparing for a big protest starting July 23rd, and the reason is the GST notices linked to their UPI transactions. Many traders have been served GST notices after their digital payments were tracked. This has caused shock and anger among Bangaluru's small business community. The traders claim that UPI transactions include personal payments too, and using them as a basis for GST is unfair. They are demanding that these notices be withdrawn. To spread awareness about GST rules, the Karnataka government launched a statewide campaign called No GST. The first workshop was held in Koramangala, but traders say these sessions are not giving them clear answers. According to the rules, the GST is only applicable if a trader earns more than 40 lakh rupees from goods or 20 lakh from services. But many small vendors say they have been wrongly targeted. Some even received tax notices close to 40 lakh rupees. In protest, traders have announced they will not sell milk and milk products on July 23rd and 24th and will wear black badges. The protest will lead to a Bandh on July 25th at Freedom Park. Auto drivers and cab drivers who also accept UPI payments have shown support, saying they might also face similar problems in the future. Karnataka's Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has promised to take this matter to the GST Council and instructed officials to address traders' concerns. The Commercial Taxes Department says the notices are not tax demands but requests for transaction details. They have also started a helpline for traders and are planning GST workshops across the state. Despite these efforts, many small traders remain unhappy. They say sudden enforcement of old tax rules, falling profits, and lack of clear information are making business tough. Trade bodies have also stepped in, asking for fair treatment of traders. The issue has now become a serious topic of debate, raising questions about tax enforcement, digital transactions, and the future of small businesses in Bangalore.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.